Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain everything you need to know about Deloitte NLA Mass Hiring 2026. I will cover the different hiring tracks, the complete recruitment process step by step, eligibility criteria and packages, and also how you should prepare your resume as per Deloitte expectations. So if you are a fresher or a recent graduate planning to apply for Deloitte, make sure you watch this video till the end. Now first let us understand what is Deloitte NLA actually is. NLA stands for National Level Assessment. It is an official nationwide hiring program conducted by Deloitte for freshers and recent graduates across India. Through this national level assessment, Deloitte identifies and hires candidates for entry-level roles in Deloitte US-India offices. The main purpose of Deloitte NLA is to assess candidates on their aptitude, skills, and basic technical understanding, and then select suitable candidates for further interview rounds. This is not a referral or a paid program. It is completely free and official hiring process conducted by Deloitte through their career portal. Candidates from different educational backgrounds can apply for Deloitte NLA, which is why Deloitte has provided multiple hiring tracks that we will discuss next in this video. So if your goal is to start your career at Deloitte as a fresher, NLA is one of the best entry points. And I have also shared the official Deloitte NLA registration link in the description box. Make sure you apply only through the official website. Now let's understand the Deloitte NLA recruitment process. Exactly as mentioned on the official Deloitte website, the first step is registration. Candidates needs to register themselves through the Deloitte NLA portal by providing their basic academic and personal details. After registration, Deloitte will shortlist candidates based on the details provided during the application. Only shortlisted candidates will move to the next stage, which is online assessment. Shortlisted candidates will be invited to attend an online assessment. This assessment is used to evaluate aptitude, logical thinking, and basic skills required for entry-level roles. Candidates who clear the online assessment will be called for an online interview. This interview may include questions related to your education, basic technical knowledge, and communication skills. Based on your overall performance in the assessment and in the interview, Deloitte will release the final selection results. So this is the complete Deloitte NLA recruitment process. If there are any updates or changes in the process, Deloitte will communicate it through their official mails. Now let's understand the hiring tracks. Hiring tracks are basically categories based on your educational background. You can apply only under the track that matches your degree or course. The first hiring track is engineering. This track is for candidates who have completed or pursuing engineering or technology related degrees such as BE, BTech or similar programs. Candidates from this track are generally considered for technical and technology related roles. The second hiring track is Undergraduate Science. This is for candidates from science backgrounds such as BSc or other science related undergraduate courses. Even if you are not from an engineering background, you can still apply through this track. The third track is Undergraduate Commerce and Allied Courses. This track is for candidates from commerce, management or related backgrounds. Candidates from this track are generally considered for business, support and analyst type roles. So guys, while applying, make sure you select the hiring track that exactly matches your educational background as mentioned on their official website. So these are the hiring tracks provided by Deloitte under NLA program. Now let us talk about the first hiring track, that is engineering track under Deloitte NLA. This track is mainly for final year engineering students and computer related students who want to start their career with Deloitte. According to the official Deloitte website, the engineering track is open for final year students from courses like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, Integrated MCA, and MTech. Eligible branches include CS, allied CS streams, IT, and other branches. The year of graduation should be 2026 with the minimum of 60% or equivalent CGPA, and there should be no active backlogs at the time of application. And also guys, you should not have applied to the Deloitte US-India role in the last 6 months. Currently the registration are open for the engineering track, so eligible candidates can apply now through the official link. Candidates selected through this track will be onboarded as analyst trainee. Initially, you will be registered as an apprentice under the Apprenticeship Act through a formal agreement, and you will be on 1 year probation period. Deloitte expects candidate to have good analytical and communication skills and the ability to work both independently and in a team, and a professional attitude. You should also be comfortable interacting with stakeholders, understanding business problems, and suggesting practical solutions. Basic coding knowledge in any programming language is required, along with working knowledge of tools like Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This role may involve working in different shift timings, including night shifts depending on client requirements. You may also assign it to different projects, technologies, and locations based on business needs. And the compensation for this role is around 4 LPA plus variable benefits. So this is the complete overview of engineering track. Now let's move on to the second hiring track and understand who can apply for that. Now let us move on to the second hiring track, that is undergraduate science track. This is open for final year students from a 3-year BSc degree with computer science, information technology, or cyber security combinations. Candidates who have completed a 3-year BCA degree are also eligible to apply under this track. The year of graduation should be 2026 with a minimum of 60% or equivalent CGPA, and there should be no active backlogs. And also guys, you should have not applied to any Deloitte US-India role in the last 6 months. So currently the registration is open for this track. Guys, please, if you are eligible, apply through the official link. Candidates selected through this track will be onboarded as associate analyst. Initially selected candidates will be registered as apprentice under Apprenticeship Act, and they will be on a 1 year probation period. And employment may be confirmed after successful completion of required trainings, performance evaluations, and based on business requirements. And coming to the skills and expectations, Deloitte expects candidates to have good interpersonal and communication skills, as this role involves working with global teams and clients. You should also have moderate analytical and problem solving skills, along with good working knowledge of tools like Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and also basic programming knowledges in languages like C, C++, Java, Python, along with understanding of SQL, databases, networking, and cyber security concepts will be an added advantage. And coming to the skills and expectations, Deloitte expects candidates to have good interpersonal and communication skills, as this role involves working with global teams and clients. You should also have moderate analytical and problem solving skills, along with good working knowledge of tools like Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and also basic programming knowledges in languages like C, C++, Java, Python, along with understanding of SQL, databases, networking, and cyber security concepts will be an added advantage. This role may require working in different shift timings, including night shifts based on client requirements. You may also work across different time zones and be assigned to various projects, technologies and locations as decided by the company. The compensation for this role is around 3.25 LPA plus variable benefits. So this is the complete overview of undergraduate science track under Deloitte NLA. Now let's move on to the third hiring track. Deloitte expects candidates to have strong communication and interpersonal skills as this role involves working with global team and clients. You should also have moderate analytical and problem solving skills along with good working knowledge of Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. Basic understanding of topics like financial accounting, management accounting, financial analysis, business statistics, and cost accounting will be added as an advantage. This role may require working with different shift timings, including night shift, depending on client requirements. You may also work across different time zones and be assigned to various projects, tools, and locations as decided by the company. And guys, the compensation for this role is around 3.25 LPA plus variable benefits. So this is the complete overview of undergraduate commerce and allied courses hiring track. So now coming to the resume building. If you want me to make a detailed resume building video specifically for Deloitte NLA, then please comment resume in the comment section. If this video helped you, do like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.